Hi y'all, Billy here. Welcome to the Messy Studio. Time for another quick tip. When I'm making a synthetic pen, a lot of people have commented that they have problems with the end of the blanks blowing out when they drill them. Well, let me show you my little trick to make sure that doesn't happen. I'll lay my tubes with a little bit of space in between them up here on the pen blank. You can see the space underneath my thumb. And I've got about an equal amount of space left over at the end of the blank. So I will mark that junction where those tubes are, either with a pencil or a Sharpie or something. Now the width of this pencil line is about the same as my bandsaw curve. So I don't have to worry about it. I'm going to cut right on the line, cut right through the line, and then what that will do is that will leave me with between an 1/8 and a 1/4 inch at the bottom of the tube. Same thing with this upper tube. So I've got space at the top and the bottom. Once I get it cut, I put it in the lathe and drill it. Let me show you how that works. When I'm marking resin to cut, especially stuff that is as brittle as this, that has a tendency to blow out, I like to mark it an 1/8 to a 1/4 inch oversized. And the reason I cut it an 1/8 to a 1/4 inch oversized is because when I go drill it, I'll have a mark on the bit that's only a little over the length of the tube. That way I don't actually blow through the bottom of the blank. Then when I get it drilled, I'll come back over to the bandsaw, mark it, and cut it off. That way I don't blow these things out. I've blown too many of these up. And as with all blanks, I always use a center drill. And with this stuff, it's important that you clear your chips often. And you go slow, but not too slow. You do not want to overheat this stuff. Keep checking your bit, feel the temperature.
Because heat is the enemy of synthetics. Before I get carried away, I gotta turn my mark right and see it. See my mark? Yes, I'm taking a while to do this. I've blown too many of these up. And you know what they say, an ounce of prevention. got a little warm. I went a little too far. And a little too fast. It's alright. One more pass and that'll get her. Because I'm not going all the way through. That's it.
See, I didn't go all the way through. Nice straight hole. Tube should fit fine. Bit's not hot. We're good. I've got plenty of clearance down inside there. You should be able to see where that tube is. I've got about that much too long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the tube up here, give me about a 32nd of an inch. Make me a mark. Another 32nd of an inch. What I'm going to do is cut this off, everything that side of the pencil line. See that perfect divot? I got about that much room there. Yeah, I've got about a 32nd on each side, which is just the way I want it. See? No blowouts. You just shave the excess off. A lot of people try to save those ends. I used to. I don't anymore. It's not worth the bother. I just cut those ends off on the bandsaw and chunk them. And I've got nice clean holes through the middle of my tubes, or through the middle of my blanks, ready to glue the tubes in. So I hope this helps. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it, folks. It'll help us out. Trying to build it. Thanks for watching. Come on back and see what we do next.